got another great video for you today on how to have fun 4x4. You're going to love this one, guys. The 2026 overview on the Yamaha Wolverine ATV 4x4. We love this unit. We have one that's a couple years old. We're going to drive you around in that, check it out. But we're also going to go to the website, give you the update on the 26 model, the pricing, the features, the engine, all of that good stuff. So if you're looking at a ATV side-by-side that'll hold up to 4 people, you're going to want to watch this video to the very end, and we're going to give this thing a ride, and you're going to get to check it out with the Lecce. Lecce is from Italy. If you haven't, definitely subscribe to our channel, How to Have Fun 4x4. Check out our Facebook and our Instagram, along with our website, howtohavefun4x4.com, along with the rest of our How to Have Fun outdoor channels. We've got 6 overall, the mothership, How to Have Fun Outdoors, but then we've got How to Have Fun Fishing, camping, you name it, hiking, a little bit of everything, and you're gonna love this franchise. Over 500,000 followers, and Lecce is from Italy, I'm from Detroit, and we just love to be outdoors and have some fun. So if you haven't, definitely check out our another new channel, How to Have Fun Hiking. Super cool with hikes all over the world. But let's go ahead and get started and talking about this Wolverine side-by-side. We love it, we have it, we own it, and we've had it for a couple years. So we're going to share some of those experiences with you and give it a ride. You're going to get to see us take it through some mud and do some cool stuff. But first, let's talk about the 2026 model. That's right, the Wolverine X4 850 XT-R coming in at that 18,500. The stance on this thing is 58.7, 72 horsepower engine, 11.3 ground clearance. Absolutely awesome. 27-inch tire on these bad boys, and that's pretty impressive for a ATV side-by-side that'll hold up to 4 people. Right now, we're at the very end of December going into January, they got a 4.99 APR financing for up to 60 months through Yamaha, which is a pretty sweet deal. So you're definitely going to want to continue to look at what offers they have there. But when it comes to the specifications, 847 cc, that's right, guys, with that liquid cooled DOHC 4-valve engine, pretty sweet. It's got that 10.5 to 1 compression ratio on it. Fuel delivery is the Yamaha fuel injection system, and overall 9.2 gallon fuel capacity on this thing. And it does have the on-command 3-way locking differential, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and the full off-road lockup 4-wheel drive. But overall, you can see here the hydraulic disc on front and back. We talked about the stance on this thing's pretty awesome. Wheelbase 83.7 inches, fuel capacity 9.2, as I already mentioned, and the weight coming in just under 2,000 pounds at 1,893 pounds. 6-month warranty along with that Yamaha 10-year belt warranty. So overall, this is one great side-by-side if you're looking for going on all kinds of different trails with up to 4 people. That's the key. If you're looking for a 4-people ATV, this could be the one. Let's go check it out. The walkthrough with the Lecce. Definitely hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave your comments down below. What do you think of this unit? And we're excited to show you this Wolverine. right, here we are to do the walkthrough on this Wolverine X4 Special Edition Yamaha. Are you ready, Alice?
Oh yeah, I love this big boy.
Yeah, this is an ultimate side-by-side, and we're gonna show you around up here in northern New Hampshire, and boy, are we having fun with this out on the trails. Wow, those are some big treads, huh?
Yeah, look at this, Dirt Commander.
Yeah, these are Dirt Commanders, pretty awesome. And Yamaha does a beautiful job with their side-by-side. And everything about this is high quality, just really nice powder coated, and just a sharp design. This was your favorite. It's 4-seater, right?
Yeah, I'm thinking about that. Everyone that is coming to visit us.
All right, show us the tailgate on this.
Oh yeah, look at this. It's pretty awesome. Huh? Space and very sturdy.
Nice. So you're able to flip these seats up, and you got a whole tailgate pickup truck, if you will, with this Yamaha, which is really a nice feature.
Oh, we love it.
All right, show us how these seats move up.
All right, so you just take this one, you move it up like this.
Nice. So then this can rotate right up. Very cool.
And then here there is this level, you just move it up.
Nice. And then slide her down in.
Like it.
Wow.
Thank you for your help. You're stronger than I do.
All right, very cool. But you can see how all of a sudden you're going to get all this extra space here in the back. That's a nice feature with this Yamaha, where you can move these back seats.
Yeah, I think if it's just Tom and I and we want to bring a cooler with beer, for example, here is very space enough and we can get going.
All right, looks good.
Another great features here. Here we have great bungee ties on both sides.
Yeah, real nice.
Yeah. And then the seat belt are super strong on this.
Nice seat belt harness. Yeah. Look at the nice roll cage on this, all powder coated. We put on a fishing holder on the back here, which is really sweet. And you can close that up, Alice. We showed them the back. Yeah. Well done. Also, aftermarket, added these nice handles. Really a nice feature. And these things are great for fishing poles, hiking poles, whatever you want to put up there is super sweet. You can see in the back two really nice seats, stadium seating. They're up high compared to some of the other ones that we looked at.
Absolutely.
Which is nice. And then you've got 4 cup holders right here, and just a really nice design from the back side. So we'll come up. You got the sides that hold you in, really cool. Nice, you know, really nice doors on the back so you can get in and out, and you can see the quality of that. And let's go ahead and show them up front, Alice.
Absolutely. So we have some great doors once again. The space for the driver is here, and you have a great nice window in front of you that prevent you to get all the dirt on your face. And believe me, when you are on this trail, you need that.
Yeah, we had no windshield up front, and then we went ahead and added it, and what a huge difference. Also, definitely get your big mirror so you can see everything behind you. And you've got to have some killer FXR engineering performance helmets when you're out here. And over here you see you get a nice how to have fun outdoor hat, and a little storage in there, which is nice. And overall you got the nice handlebar here up front. Take a look at that, grab onto there.
Very sturdy, and a glove box here.
What, a glove box too. Check it out. Pretty awesome, huh?
And then we added another great feature, that is the phone holder. So if you're around and you don't know where the hell are you, you can just have your phone with the map.
With the little GPS action there. Yeah. Really nice seats again, all adjustable down here. So you can lift up, move it in and out. Pretty sweet. Yep. And Yamaha just does a nice job. We've had 0 issue with this. And it's a 2021. Beautiful side by side.
Yeah.
Gotta love this Wolverine, huh?
Absolutely. Do you want to see how we ride?
Let's go take it for a ride. Let's do it.
All right, let's go, guys.
Alice, where are you at? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing?
It's locked.
What?
Yeah, I tried to go in, but it's locked.
It's locked?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. You were all excited. You were going to get on the big John Deere.
Yeah, but no way.
All right.
Mommy.
Back on the Yamaha Wolverine X4. Let's do it.
Let's go.
All right, so you got a nice cup holder up there. You can see you've got your high, low, neutral, reverse. You've got your brake. And Alice, you're kind of bummed out. You didn't get to jump in that John Deere, huh?
I know. That's bad. That's a bummer.
All right, well, let's turn it on and let's get going.
Yep.
Nice. Let's do it.
Are you guys ready? Let's do it.
All right.
Are you ready? Let's get going.
Let's do it. So overall, we've had a great time with our Yamaha Wolverine. It has been absolutely perfection. We haven't had any issues with it, no mechanical problems. We've had it for over a couple of years, like we talked about. So you can feel confident if you're going to be looking for a 4-seater ATV side-by-side type vehicle to hit the trails. This is a good one. Yamaha's done a great job with it. We highly recommend. Definitely comment down below what's your favorite 4-seater side-by-side ATV. Would love to hear all your feedback. But thank you again. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching How to Have Fun 4x4.